In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to link Instagram to WhatsApp. Now, if you want to add your Instagram account to WhatsApp, simply head to Instagram first. Tap on Edit Profile. You will then head to Username. Now, make sure to select your username, and then copy it to Clipboard. Once done, head to WhatsApp. You want to tap onto the settings gear icon at your bottom right. You will then tap right here to access your profile. Now head to Add Links. Here, select Instagram. You just want to paste in your username and tap on Save. Now, to make it visible to everyone, simply get back and head to Privacy. You will then head to Links. Now mark on everyone. On your WhatsApp profile, the Instagram logo will be shown to public. And once anyone clicks, it directly takes them to your Instagram account. Well, that's how easy it is to link Instagram on your WhatsApp. And if you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials like this one.